Just got back from the maiden voyage, the initial drive, and everything seems good. I think the exhaust is rattling on a cross member, but we'll get that fixed. I'm checking the live stream here. I don't have a downstream O2 sensor, so that makes sense. Slight exhaust leak. Temperature's good. Fan's just kicked on. Yeah, here the fan's just kicked on and it's working, so that's good. Short term, it's pretty close to 0. Long term is adding 11. Idle is a little high, so just keep driving it and see what it does. This was the first drive, so it's a little concerning, but it's not crazy. O2 sensors look okay. Cycling. Alright, well, that'll be it for tonight, and then we'll try to get this high idle fixed and go from there.